Welcome everyone! I'm excited to show you exactly how I use Vizard to transform long-form footage into a consistent stream of ready-to-post short clips. We are going to walk through how the AI engine actually functions, the different ways you can ingest your media, and a practical demo so you can see it in action. You might be wondering why you should rely on an AI tool like Vizard for your clip creation instead of traditional manual editing methods. While manual editing definitely offers the most creative control and maximum polish, it is fundamentally slow, expensive, and impossible to scale when you are posting daily. Vizard isn't trying to replace human editors, but rather automate the heavy grunt work of finding key moments, slicing them up, and preparing them for your social platforms. It acts as a complete lifesaver for creators who crave a consistent output without grinding through countless hours on a timeline. Think about 3 major wins right off the top. First, Vizard auto-edits your viral clips by analyzing your long videos to spot those high-engagement, gold moments. Second is the auto-schedule feature, which lets you set a posting cadence so the AI manages the queue without you needing to babysit your uploads. Third, the content calendar lets you manage, tweak, and publish across your social channels from one unified place, whether you are bulk editing captions or moving posts around. Those are the core hooks, but there is plenty of nuance you can tune depending on your specific content workflow and goals. Before we dive into the UI, let's talk about where Vizard really shines, such as with podcast footage, lectures, webinars, or long-form YouTube episodes. It is also incredibly powerful when you need multi-platform sizing without the headache of re-exporting your content a dozen different times. What it is not designed for is one-off, ultra-polished cinematic cuts that require granular color grading or complex visual effects, which still need a human touch. Now let's get into the practical side of things so I can show you exactly how I set up an auto-editing job for the first time. When you log into Vizard, you are greeted with a dashboard built specifically for creators and social media teams to manage everything from one single screen. I am going to set up a brand new project today to convert a long-form video into a batch of clips and schedule them for the week ahead. First, create a new project or campaign and give it a memorable name, which helps keep your calendar organized if you manage multiple series simultaneously. Next, choose your source, which can be a simple drag and drop from your local drive or a direct import from YouTube, Zoom, or cloud storage. The YouTube import is exceptionally handy if you have already uploaded the episode and want to pull it into the system without wasting time on a new upload. Once the file is in, Vizard asks what kind of clips you want, allowing you to select presets like short hooks, highlight reels, or specific quote clips. I personally love to pick a mix of 15 to 30-second hooks for TikTok and Instagram, alongside 45 to 60-second highlights for YouTube Shorts. You can also instruct the AI to prioritize specific elements like funny reactions, strong quotes, or moments with high energy levels. One of my favorite tuning features is using focus keywords or highlight phrases, which is essentially a glossary for your video content. If you have specific product names, guest names, or recurring topics, adding them to this list helps the AI boost the probability of surfacing those exact moments. Remember that the quality of your source audio and visuals truly matters, as the AI performs best with clear audio and a strong centralized visual focus. After selecting your clip styles, set your cadence to determine how often your posts go live, such as daily at noon or 3 times a week. Vizard then generates a full queue of clips and places them into your calendar where you can preview, edit captions, add hashtags, or change thumbnails. You can then let the system publish everything automatically or send it to your team for a quick manual approval before it goes live. The platform also makes it easy to customize outputs for every social network, creating vertical crops for TikTok, square for Instagram, and landscape for Twitter. It supports a massive range of distribution options, so you won't have to waste time manually exporting and re-uploading to every single platform. To demo the flow, I create a project, import a 40-minute interview, set my templates, add my glossary, and let the generation process begin. Within a few minutes, I have a dozen clips ready to preview, ranging from those golden interview quotes to quick, funny reaction shots. If something looks slightly off, you can duplicate the job, tweak your presets, and rerun it to target a different audience segment or topic. Should you ever want that personal human touch back, you can switch to manual editing to finesse the cuts exactly how you like them. This flexibility to flip between full automation and manual control is exactly why so many teams use Vizard as their core system. Beyond just clipping, Vizard can also generate captions automatically and create translations for multiple languages to help you reach a global audience. You can preview all your output in the built-in player and use the drag-and-drop calendar to easily swap clips out whenever your strategy shifts. To wrap up, just pick your source, set your clip style, add focus keywords, let the AI generate the content, and review everything in the calendar. This entire process truly frees you from the repetitive, boring stuff, so you can finally focus your energy on the actual creative decisions. If you are struggling to keep your channel alive or want to scale your content output without hiring a huge team, give Vizard a try today. It has saved me hours every single week, and I honestly think it makes consistent posting feel way less painful for everyone involved. I appreciate you watching this walkthrough, and I truly hope these tips help you master your content pipeline moving forward. Let me know in the comments if you want a follow-up video showing my exact presets or a tutorial on using the countdown scheduler for your next big campaign. Thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.